Dear students, in this lecture we will study about environmental health and diseases. What environmental health is? It is the public health field that monitors and addresses those physical, chemical, and biological factors that we might not have direct control over but can impact our health any way. For example, if you live in a neighborhood with unsafe sidewalks or polluted air, it is difficult to get outside and exercise or to do any work. Similarly, what your home was built with, what insects live nearby, and what food you have access to all can affect your health and the health of your family. And we can simply put it into words environmental health is the area of public health that deals with all the different ways the world around us can impact our physical and mental well being. Or, if we come to its definition by WHO, World Health Organization, it is defined as it is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being, and not merely because of disease or infirmity. This health it is considered as a dynamic condition resulting from a body's constant adjustment and adaptation in response to stresses and changes in the environment for maintaining an inner equilibrium called homeostasis. And there are so many definitions. When we are away from disease, we call it good health. But this environmental health is a broader term. It includes various aspects of the health. Let's come to importance of health. The trite saying health is wealth, it explains the importance of health. Ill health results in high rate of absenteeism in case of employees, in case of students, in case of other workers, and turnover. Industrial discontent and indiscipline, poor performance, low productivity, and more accidents. And this public cleanliness is important for individual health. Therefore, we must ensure that we collect and clear the garbage regularly. We must also contact the agencies to clear the drains so that our health remains in good condition. Because this good health it will lead to sustainability in the environment. Otherwise, we will have problems all over. Now, coming to concept of disease. What disease means? A disease it is a disordered or incorrectly functioning organ, part, structure, or system of the body resulting from the effect of genetic or developmental errors, infection, poisons, nutritional deficiency or imbalance, toxicity or unfavorable environmental factors, illness, sickness, ailment. So this we call as disease. This is the literal meaning of disease. And then we have so many definitions. We define it any abnormal condition in a plant or animal that interferes with its vital physiological processes caused by pathogenic microorganisms, parasites, unfavorable environment, genetic or nutritional factors. Or we can say that disease means something is wrong with our body and that we feel unwell or malfunction of the body. Now we have diseases. Broadly, we classify them into two types. One is acute and then chronic. These acute diseases, these last for only short period of time. These do not cause a long-term bad effect on human health. For example, we have cold, we have cough, we have typhoid, we have fever, cholera, etc. In these diseases, a person becomes well within a short period of time, within a week's time or so. And then chronic diseases, these diseases last for long time, even as much as lifetime. For example, we have tuberculosis, diabetes, arthritis, cancer, etc. These diseases are chronic diseases. They last for a longer period of time, even they can long as much as lifetime. And then we have infectious diseases. Infectious diseases, also called communicable diseases. These diseases get easily transmitted from one person to another. And this infection or infectious disease, it is a condition caused by different microbial pathogens that can be viruses, bacteria, fungi, parasites, germs. These diseases require treatment with biological controlling agents of the specific pathogens. Otherwise, that pathogen continues to reproduce, affecting the body to a greater extent, and in many cases can cause death. So these diseases, they transmit from one person to another by physical contacts. Uh, so these diseases are very dangerous because they can lead to social. Uh, they can lead to social disaster. Then we have non-infectious diseases, or which are we also called as non-communicable diseases. These diseases, they do not get easily transmitted from one person to another. These non-infectious diseases are those that are not produced by microbial pathogens. So here microbial pathogens are not involved. Among them are the four main types. We have these deficiencies, we have degenerative, we have congenital, and we have mental. Deficiencies means the deficiency of some essential chemicals present in our body, some essential nutrients that our body requires. If their deficiency occurs in the body, they lead to diseases, but these diseases are non-communicable. Then degenerative, congenital, and mental. Deficiency diseases are those caused by the lack of substances necessary for the proper functioning of the organism, such as we have rickets, caused by lack of vitamin D, calcium, and phosphorus in the food or blood. And these were the types of diseases. In next lecture, we will study about water diseases, waterborne diseases in detail. Till then, have a good day.